children, how are you? I'm sure you're doing good. प्यारे बच्चों, I'm sure आप कुछ चीज़ें सीख रहे होंगे और कुछ चीज़ें आपने पहले सीखी होंगी. So let's understand how this can be written in English. Use of was and were. Was and were. When talking about past, we use was with I, he, she and any other singular name, and use were with we, you, they, the boys and any other plural forms. So was here and were with we, you, they. Let's study these examples. I was in China last year. I was, this is singular. They were in India last year. The cat was a kitten. The dogs were puppies. Here, the dogs is plural. Children, do revise this topic once again and attempt all the related exercises given in your book.